Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here. It is strawberry day at our house. Lots of fresh strawberries. Our daughter had a strawberry fundraiser for her soccer team. And so we sold all kinds of strawberries to our friends and family, and today was delivery day. So we delivered about 8 flats of strawberries, and we have about 6.5 left that cannot be delivered today. So I thought it would be fun to come on and show you how we're going to save those so they'll last. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lois. I am the owner-operator of Ellie Grace's Attic, and we take old treasures and then give them new life with handcrafted love. But we also love to share with you just encouragement, daily fun crafts, and then easy life hacks like this on how to save some fresh strawberries. They smell so good. I love the way they smell, and I love strawberries in things, but I actually cannot eat fresh strawberries. I know, people shake their head at me all the time. But anyway, if you happen to catch strawberries on sale, if you leave them in the fridge, they'll keep for about 3 days to 7 days, and not go bad. But after that, they start to, and obviously if you leave them out, they'll turn really quickly. So I like to save them. If you follow the method I'm using today, they're good. You can take them out, thaw them out, and eat them just like as if they were fresh. Or you can put them in smoothies or just anything. And they'll keep for a long time. They'll keep 10 to 12 months in the freezer. This way, that'll be their best quality. They'll keep a little bit longer than that, but their best probably about 10 months. So anyway, super easy. You'll see I'm just chopping them up. I'm stemming them, so I'm cutting the top off, and then I'm cutting them in half. Super simple. And I'll do one more. Nobody wants the stems. Actually, if I have fresh strawberries and I'm making a smoothie, I will put the stem in as well. These have all been rinsed, but once you rinse them and everything, put the whole thing in there, because there's lots of vitamins and good stuff in those stems. So anyway, once I've stemmed them and halved them like I have here, I'm going to switch out here. I have just a cookie sheet lined with wax paper, and then I'm going to just take them and put the cut side down and just line them up on here. Kind of like if you were doing chocolate covered strawberries, but we're not covering these with chocolate. So I'm just going to line my baking sheet. So super easy. You're going to fill it up. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I won't make you suffer through all that. But once I get this cookie sheet filled with all the yummy strawberries, I really wish you could smell. They smell so divine. I am going to take this cookie sheet and I'm going to stick it in my freezer uncovered, just like that, uncovered, for at least 30 minutes. You can leave them in there longer, but at least 30 minutes, and that's going to flash freeze them. So they won't be frozen solid, but the outside will be frozen, and part of the they'll be partially frozen at that point. And then what you'll do after 30 minutes, you'll take them out and you just put them in a Ziploc, and of course you want to get all the air out and seal it and put it back in the freezer, and your strawberries will keep for 10 to 12 months in your freezer, just like as if they were fresh. So you're welcome, Jennifer. Jennifer's one of our strawberry purchasers. What's the word? I was trying to find. Words are hard, girls. Words are hard sometimes, especially when you've been running all day. But anyway, you're very welcome, Jen. Thank you for supporting our soccer team. So anyway, that is an easy way. Like I said, if you catch them on sale, go ahead and buy that flat and freeze them like this, and they're super, super yummy to put into your smoothies, or like I said, just thaw them out and eat them as if they were fresh. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. follow us. Go up, hit those 3 dots and follow us to see our videos when we go live. You can always watch us on the replay and sprinkle the love. Send it to your friends. So, oh, and exciting news, while I was running today, I got all the things to do a craft next week. I'm going to be going on a trip this weekend. But next week, we're going to get together and we're going to make our very own DIY moss-covered balls. You've seen the pretty moss-covered balls in decor. You can use them in all kind of different decor ideas. We're going to make those next week. So stay tuned and look for that live, and come on and join me. I'll show you how to do it. It's super easy, super inexpensive, because if you go to buy one of those, I don't know if any of you have ever looked, you go to buy, they're like $8 for just one. That's crazy. I can beat that, right? So we're going to do that next week. So anyway, go buy some strawberries. Bye guys. Happy crafting. Love y'all.